If you want to change the tone for new messages on the Xiaomi 17, then there are two things that I want to show you. The first one is that you can simply open settings and proceed to sound and vibration, and then in here we have the notification sound, which we can of course change, and of course new messages are included in notification sound, so if you change the notification sound you will also change the sound that is used when a new message is received on the phone. So of course we can tap over here, you will open this theme app store, and in here we should be able to proceed to pre-installed ringtones and choose notifications, and then we have the list of different notification sounds that of course we can set up on our phone. If you tap on them we have a preview, so you can find your sound and then just exit these settings. However, if you don't want to change the notification sound and you just want to change the sound for new messages and only for that, then in this case we're gonna go back to settings. Next, in here, proceed to notifications and status bar. Next, choose app notifications, and then in here, find the messages app and tap on it. In here, you want to find the incoming messages option, and then we have the sound option in this menu, so then you can follow the rest of the steps just like before. So we can go to pre-installed ringtones, and then in here, you should be able to find the sound that you wish to set just for new messages, and then we can just tap on apply on the right side in order to confirm. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.